Imagine a family SUV that doesn't try to shout for attention, yet quietly wins you over every single day you drive it. That's exactly the story of the 2026 Honda CR-V, a car that proves practicality can still feel premium, confident, and surprisingly enjoyable. The moment you see the 2026 CR-V, it feels more mature and purposeful than ever. Honda has refined the design with clean, strong lines that give it a wider, more planted stance. The front grille looks bolder without being aggressive. It's flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the CR-V a modern, upscale face. From the side, the proportions are perfectly balanced, with a long roofline that hints at generous interior space, while the subtle character lines add just enough sportiness. Around the back, the signature vertical LED taillights remain a CR-V trademark. Now, sharper and more refined, giving the car a confident presence, whether it's parked or moving. Step inside. And this is where the CR-V really shows why it's one of the best-selling SUVs in the world. The cabin feels airy, calm, and well thought out. Honda has focused on simplicity and quality, so everything you touch feels solid and well built. Soft touch materials on the dashboard, neatly integrated air vents, and a clean layout make the interior feel almost premium. The seating position is high and commanding, giving you excellent visibility in every direction, which is something both new and experienced drivers will appreciate. The 2026 model continues to impress with space. There's plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. It's making long journeys comfortable for the whole family. The rear seats are especially friendly for adults, not just kids, and the flat floor adds extra comfort. When it comes to cargo, the CR-V is a champion. The wide tailgate opening and low loading height make it easy to load groceries, luggage, or even a bicycle. And with the rear seats folded down, it turns into a proper mini hauler without any fuss. On the tech side, Honda has made sure the CR-V feels modern and connected. The infotainment screen is crisp, responsive, and positioned perfectly so you don't have to take your eyes off the road for long. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, making navigation, music, and calls effortless. The digital driver display provides all the essential information clearly, while physical buttons and knobs are still there for climate control, which many drivers will appreciate for ease of use while driving. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda CR-V focuses on smooth, efficient performance rather than raw speed. The engine delivers power in a calm and predictable way, making it ideal for daily commuting, city driving, and highway cruising. Acceleration is confident enough for overtaking, and the transmission keeps things smooth and refined. For those who value fuel efficiency, the CR-V really shines, offering excellent mileage without sacrificing performance. Honda's hybrid option, where available, takes this even further, delivering impressive fuel savings along with quiet, electric-assisted driving in traffic. On the road, CR-V feels composed and comfortable. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and rough roads with ease, which is perfect for real-world driving. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling uneven rural roads, the ride remains stable and relaxed. Steering is light and precise, making parking and tight turns stress-free, while still offering enough feedback to feel confident at higher speeds. It's not a sports SUV, but it's incredibly easy and enjoyable to drive every day. Safety has always been a strong point for Honda, and the 2026 CR-V continues that tradition. It comes packed with advanced driver assistance features that work quietly in the background to keep you protected. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring all come together to create a reassuring driving experience. These systems are well calibrated, meaning they assist without feeling intrusive, which builds trust over time. What truly sets the Honda CR-V apart is its balance. It doesn't try to be flashy or overly complex. Instead, it focuses on doing everything well. It's comfortable without being boring, spacious without feeling bulky, efficient without feeling underpowered, and packed with features without overwhelming the driver. It's the kind of SUV that fits seamlessly into your life. Whether you're a small family, a daily commuter, or someone who simply wants a reliable and refined vehicle, the 2026 Honda CR-V isn't about chasing trends, it's about perfecting what really matters. And that's exactly why, year after year, it remains one of the smartest and safest choices in the SUV world.